Going to need the GFI for the dishwasher under the sink. The panel is here. We're gonna have the notch across, come down, and get a tandem breaker. Looks like Siemens, Murray, or Eaton. And definitely need a cord for that one. I thought this dishwasher was gonna be hardwired straight to the panel. I found a nice orange cord, thick enough. So they didn't do such a bad job. There's an appliance cord. They snaked it back here. And now we gotta put an actual cord, put a GFI under there, and come into the panel. You gotta fix the rigging it up.